So this is an assa 600 with gin spools. It's not the red belt version though. It's the way it was described is it has a fake sidebar, which it's not a fake sidebar. There's a sidebar in there with springs. It's an inactive sidebar, which causes counter rotation and helps you float the gin spools. So I'm gonna try to do a quick video with it as is, and then I'm gonna take it apart and take the sidebar out, and then it should be the red belt equivalent, and we'll see how that changes it. So I'm gonna start out with just very little bit of tension. Did I do something wrong already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, and it's open. So I mean, you seen how fast that was, and that does have gin spools in it, so that sidebar really actually helps you out. But that's the assa 600 gins with the inactive sidebar.